So I'm not mad, but I'm a little bit disappointed, and you're probably really disappointed. If you've reached that milestone of $1 million in revenue, maybe even more, and you're not nearly as profitable as you think you should be, there's some reasons. And I was there myself, and I did something about it. The only way that you can solve a problem like this is by taking action. Now look, it's not rocket science. It really, really isn't. If I can figure it out, you can. The pain got so significant for me that I decided I had to wrap my arms around my financials and understand what the heck was going on in my business. Because my revenue was growing like crazy, and all of a sudden I stopped making money because I wasn't the one in the field. I wasn't managing the labor. I wasn't running the numbers in my head. I was relying on my financial system to do it, and that was pretty much non-existent. So what do I see as the number one factors and what to do about it? If your revenue is strong and you're not making money, if you don't have money left over at the end of the day after you're done paying all of your employees and vendors and maybe Google, LSA, Google pay-per-click, lead gen companies, everybody, right? There's nothing left over for you. Why is that? Well, I'll start with number one, your financials, your chart of accounts. And don't worry, if you don't know what the chart of accounts is, send me an email or book a call with me. I'll send you a template where I give you a really specific chart of accounts to use in QuickBooks to get your financials in really good shape so that they're understandable. So number one is chart of accounts problem. Number two is because your chart of accounts isn't set up properly, you're not looking at your P&Ls. You look at your P&Ls and you say, why am I even bothering? The P&Ls aren't telling the truth of the business. They're either showing 1 month you're making a lot of money and you know you're not, or they're showing you a month where it says you're not making money, but you know you are in your gut. You shouldn't be running your business on your gut. You should be able to count on your financials as the gospel, the truth about what's going on in your business. And then what you're able to do is start making really good decisions on how to improve your business. You're going to see what's going well, what's not going well, and you're going to be able to have a conversation with your team, an outside consultant, somebody like me, on things that you can do to start improving the picture. So here's the great news. When I put this into place, my business started to change. I was able to see exactly what was going well in the business and what wasn't going well. And even with the things that weren't going well in the business, now I knew where to look. Now I knew what to do to start making improvements. One of the things that I put into place was a performance-based compensation plan for all my field personnel. And that one thing alone made a huge difference. There's other things that I put into place to help with collections, to bring money in the door faster, right? It's one thing to do the work and invoice it, but it only matters when it shows up, right? When the money actually comes in. And I've got a way of addressing that too. So if you're looking to get more profitable, you're looking to reduce the chaos in your business, and you're looking to build something that's sellable, there are answers. It's really not that tough. It takes action, it takes discipline, it takes a guide who's been there, who's been through it himself. That's me. Book a call with me and we'll have a conversation. At the very least, I guarantee you're going to come away with a couple of action items that you'll be able to take and start making improvements in your business right away.